I know you said you still like kind of want to work, but do you see yourself working to the ripe retirement age?
No, it's hard to say, right? Like, I mean, we all have goals in life, and it could go into like 5 year, 10 year, 20 year, increments.
Mhm.
For now, I always like think of my dream life, and that's what I always tell people to think about. Like for me, I love being a nurse, like nurse practitioner. Like I love the work that I do right now. But I don't want it to be a forced thing. Like I don't want to have to go to work and be told that, oh, you cannot have your PTO because no one else is gonna see your patients at this day. Like I'm very much of a person who doesn't like to be told what to do. If anything, for me, I would love to work per diem, just work when I want to.
Yeah.
And that looks like once a week or once every 2 weeks. And then work less on my business and spend most of my days with my kids and my family.